Hi guys, welcome to 5mantra.com. This is Kalyan, the faculty of aptitude, and we are going to do one more different problem in mensuration. See guys, if for every problem we don't need to do the entire process, every problem we don't need to involve the procedure. Just by rearrangement of the figures also we can do some problems. This is one of such. Okay, let us see. In this given diagram, see guys, this is not a concept, it's just a problem. Here given it is given that OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD equal to 14 centimeters. It's a measurement. That means here OA, these are two mutual perpendicular axes, like we can say X and Y axis also, and here OA, OB, OC, OD are equal. Means all these segments are equal and length of each would be 14. And we need to find out the shaded region, that's it. Blue colored part means this total shaded region. See guys, actually if you want to do, see, you may think that it's a very biggest problem, but it's nothing. It's a figure looking like that, but it's a dummy. How it is going to be, let us see. See this guys, this figure is somehow looking like this or not. Just to explain you that the simplification of the figure into the partitions, I am showing this, otherwise it's we don't need to show this also. So just see, I just want to select one after one. See, I want to separate these all the diagrams and I rearrange this. What is obtained you can identify. See here, I want to separate this and then I will separate this. Okay, let me rearrange this into something like, for example, I have rearranged this and then we rearranged this also. Now if I invert this, just carefully observe, is it a quarter circle or not? It's a quarter circle. And is it a one more quarter circle or not? One more quarter circle means sector of 90 degrees. All are having, see here what the segments length OA, OB, OC, OD, as we have shown in the figure, all the lengths are equal, that each one would be 14 centimeters. That is nothing but radius of each sector or not? Simple. So with radius equal to 14 all, see, let us write something here, 14, and this would be 14 and this would be 14. What can you observe here? This is a sector of 90 degrees with 14 centimeters, and this is again a sector of 14 centimeters radius and 90 degrees. See, two 90 degrees sectors with equal radii are joined together. Is it a quarter circle and quarter circle? Full of the, I mean combining them, do we get a complete semicircle or not? So this can be further arranged to semicircle. If you rearrange this, if you flip this. So here this is a semicircle of radius how much? 14 centimeters or not? So here, just to divert you, just to make you confused, they had given you this shape. Otherwise they would have asked you that what is the area of the semicircle of radius 14 centimeters? It's a direct question. Even small even small kid also can do this. 6th or 7th class. Okay, but figure looks like somehow difficult thing. So what is the resultant area? Area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle. I will show you. See here, if you just arrange this like, if you just cut this part and arrange into this, and this part will be arranged here, simply it will be a semicircle of radius 40 centimeter. So what is our final answer? Let us see. So finally radius equal to 14 centimeters, and we need to find out the area of semicircle. Semicircle means combination of these two. Semicircle, that would be pi r square by 2, because full circle area will be pi r square and half of it will be pi r square by 2, half of that. So that means here pi by 2 means 11 by 7 or not? Okay, we don't need to simplify again and again. 22 by 7 by 2 means 2 can be cut down with that, and then r square would be, what is the radius given? 14 square. 14 square can be, I can write this as 14 into 14. Now 14 2s are 28. So 11 into 28, and we have one more technique for multiplying with any number with 11. That would be your put. So this 28 should be multiplied with 11. There is a small technique you can follow even anywhere in quantitative aptitude. We need to multiply this 28 with 11. So a small technique, wherever it is useful, you may use it. Now 28, keep 0 1 0 after and 1 0 before the number, and write every two digits from right to left. So what is that? 0 plus 8, and 8 plus 2 would be 10. 1 is carry forward. Now 2 plus 0. How much is that? 2 plus 0 is 0. Now 2 plus 1, 308. So what is the area of this? 308 centimeters square, which is your first option in the given question. Got it, guys? In this, once again, small repetition I'm giving you for considering non-math students. Just see here. Here, if you take this shape as it is, if you want to do, you can definitely will get a confusion. Why? Because here this shape, this directly shape is not defined in mensuration basics. So we need to cut them into partitions, and by rearranging those all the partitions like this semicircle blue color part, you arrange this, and this blue colored semicircle part you can arrange here, and those two will be two quarter circles, mean sectors of 90 degrees, and combination of them would be one semicircle. And here finally we are asked to just find semicircle of radius 14 centimeters, which is our answer 308, which gives answer 308 centimeters square. So guys, I think you would have enjoyed this problem. Of course, it's very simple, but here we don't need to undergo the procedure, and we don't need to do much calculation. Only the simple thing is we need to do the rearrangement in the diagram. In such a way we can do this kind of problems. You would have arranged, hope you guys would have enjoyed this problem, and we'll come up with new problems like this in our next videos also. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for further updates. Thank you very much.